Hello, dear students. So let us start with the first chapter, that is in the first PUC sets. Okay. So we are going to discuss CET questions on this chapter. The first questions is see that let see here the first question, let x y z be two sets of U where n of x n of u is equal to 35, n of x is equal to 15, n of y is equal to 22, n of z is equal to 14, and n of x intersection y is 11. So this is repeated, neglect it. And n of y intersection z is 8, and n of x intersection z is equal to 5, n of x intersection y intersection z is equal to 3. So n of x union y union z whole dash is equal to, so we need to calculate that n of x union y union z. Okay, so see here. So actually we have a formula. So to find n of, so n of still we know that, so we know that so n of x union y union z whole dash, which is equal to n of u minus, so n of x union y union z. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate. So a dash, so already you know that, so a dash is nothing but, so a dash n of a dash, so e is nothing but n of u minus n of a. Okay, so like this, so this can be written as n of u minus n of x union y union z. Actually here n of u is given. Okay, so n of u is given, so that is n of u is what here, so that is n of u is nothing but 35. Okay, so see here, so this is n of u, this is n of u, that is 35. Okay, so but n of x union y union z is not here. Okay, so to find this, it is essential to find out this value. Okay, so therefore again we have a formula. So n of x union y union z is equal to n of x plus n of y plus n of z minus n of x intersection y minus n of x intersection z, so minus n of y intersection z plus n of x intersection y intersection z. Okay, so this is the formula. So we have to find the value of n of x union y union z. Okay, so already by given data, so it is given that n of x is nothing but 15, 15 plus n of y is nothing but 22, this is 22, plus n of z is nothing but 14, okay, minus n of x intersection y, that is x intersection y is nothing but what? It is 11, 11, okay, minus of y into x intersection z, that is 5, 5, minus of y intersection z, that is equal to 8, and plus n of x intersection y intersection z is, that is 3, okay, so which is equal to 3, okay. So then, so simplify 8, so we get, so 30, okay, so this is equal to 30. So now we are going to substitute this value here, okay, so that is equal to 35 minus 30, so which is equal to 5, so 5, so therefore so option D is the right option, so here, so therefore this is the right answer, okay, got it. So next we shall move to the next question, so that is, so if x and y are two sets such that n of x is equal to 17, that means number of element in the set x is 17 and number of element in y, that is 23, so n of x union y is equal to 38, so then what is the value of n of x intersection y, okay, so we have direct formula for this, so that is so we know that, again we know that so n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y, so minus n of x intersection y, this is the formula we have. So we need to calculate n of x intersection y, so substitute the value here, n of x union y is nothing but what? 38, so this is 38 is equal to n of x is nothing but 17 plus n of y is nothing but 23 minus of n of x intersection y, okay. So we need to calculate this one, so therefore take it in this side, that is n of x intersection y, so which is equal to so this is nothing but 40 minus 38, so which is equal to what? That is 2, so therefore, so option A is the right answer, so this is the right answer, okay, got it. So n of x intersection y is 2. So next question, so in a group of 800 peoples, 550 can speak Hindi and 450 can speak English, how many can speak both English and Hindi, okay. So here, in a group of 800 students, so therefore it is taken as n of, so n of, so the people can speak Hindi, it is taken as n of h, okay, the people can speak Hindi, so it is taken as n of h, okay, that is equal to what? That is equal to 550, okay, 550, and the number of the people who can speak English, so it is taken as n of e, so that is 450, okay. So and the people who speak either physics, either Hindi or English, so or both, so it is taken as n of h into h union e, so that is equal to 800, okay. So we need to calculate how many can speak Hindi and English, so how many can speak Hindi and English, that means India, both Hindi and English, it is denoted as n of h intersection e, okay. So this is equal to question mark, okay. So therefore we have a formula again, so we know that n of h union e is equal to n of h plus n of e, so minus n of H intersection E. Okay, so substitute the value here. So n of H union V, H union E is nothing but what? So here that is given, that is 800. Okay, 800, which is equal to n of H is nothing but what here? 550. Okay, 550 plus n of E is nothing but 450. Okay, 450 minus of n of H intersection E. Is it clear? So the value is, required value is n of H intersection E. So therefore, so n of H intersection E. So which is equal to 1000 minus of 800. So this is nothing but what? So this is nothing but 200. Okay. So this is the required solution. So therefore, option which is the right answer? So option B is the right answer. Okay. So next we shall move to the third question. So that is here, in a group of 1000 peoples. Okay, in a group of 1000 peoples, there are 570 who can speak Hindi. Okay, and 400 who can speak Bengali. How many can speak Hindi? So here there are three questions. How many can speak Hindi only? How many can speak Bengali only? And how many can speak both Hindi and Bengali? Okay, so we can go write given data. So H union in a group it is taken as n of, so it is n of H union here. So data, so that is n of the, so people who can speak Hindi, it is taken as what? It is taken as n of Hindi, it is taken as H. For our convenience, we are taking n of H, which is equal to 750, okay. And the people can speak Bengali, that is it is taken as n of B. So which is equal to how much? How many? So 400. Okay. And so we need to calculate. So this is n of A union. So n of H union H union B is equal to what? So that is 1000. Okay. So so what are the solutions we are required? So how many can speak Hindi only? That is n of H only. We need to calculate n of H only. Okay, and this is question mark. So and n of Bengali only, n of B only. Okay, so which is equal to question mark. And third one is n of how many can speak both Hindi and English? So that is B intersection H. Okay, B intersection H. So this is equal to question mark. Okay, so to find n of H only, so we have a formula. Okay, so n of H is nothing but, so n of H only, so this is nothing but n of H minus of n of H intersection V. Okay, so but n of H is here, but n of H intersection E we don't know. So but we are going to calculate this. So first we are going to calculate n of H intersection E, then it is easy to calculate the remaining two. So that is similarly n of B only, so E is equal to n of H minus n of H intersection n of B. See here we are taking n of B, see n of B minus n of H intersection okay E. Okay, see here. So to find these two values, n of H intersection E is essential. So therefore, so we are going to calculate n of by using this data. So by using n of H, n of B, and n of H union, so we are going to calculate this one. Okay, so that is, so we know that n of H H union E. H union E is equal to, so n of H plus n of E minus n of H intersection E. Okay, so we have all this data, that is n of H union E, that is 1000. So this is 1000. Okay, which is equal to n of H is that what here, so n of H is that what, 570. Okay, plus n of E is that what, n of E, n of B, Bengali. Okay, n of B, so here it is not B, it is Bengali. Okay, so here it is Bengali, so it is Bengali. B we are going to take here, B, not English, Bengali. So similarly here also this is n of B. Okay, so see here n of B is what here, so n of B is nothing but 400. N of B is nothing but 400 minus n of H intersection E. Okay, so we need n of H intersection E, that is, so H intersection n of H intersection B, Bengali, not E again. So this is, so n of B, so this is also n of B. Okay, so that is equal to, that is equal to 1000. So this is 1150. Okay, so minus of 1000, so then we get 150, which is equal to 150. Okay, so just we are going to substitute this value. So therefore n of H intersection B, that means who can speak both Hindi and English, that is 150. Okay, so then, so n of Bengali only, so this is nothing but n of H is that what here, 750 minus 150, so that is what, that is 600. So the number of people who can speak Hindi only, that is 600. So similarly for this, n of B is nothing but 400. So minus of so 150. So that this is nothing but 250. Okay, is it clear? So therefore, so solution is here 600. First one is 600, and second one is 250, and third one is 150. So therefore option D is the right answer. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Okay, got it. So next question. So we move to the next question. So that is, if A and B are two disjoint sets. So observe here carefully. So they are mentioned not disjoint. Okay, so number of people, it is not, it is read like disjoint. Okay, so carefully observe that. So A and B are not disjoints, then n of A union B is equal to, so actually this is a standard formula. So n of A union B is nothing but n of, so see here, n of A union B, standard formula, n of A union B is equal to, if they are not disjoint. So see here, basically disjoint means what? So disjoint is nothing but disjoint. So see here, so if A and B are said to be disjoint, if A and B are said to be disjoint if A intersection B is equal to null set. Okay, so then they are disjoint. So n of A intersection B is null set. So this is nothing but, so n of A intersection B is what? So number of element in A intersection B is 0. Okay, so if the given sets are disjoint, so then the formula, so already, so formula is therefore n of A union B, so is equal to n of A, so n of A n of a plus n of b, just n of a, n of b. Why? Because so here if the sets are not disjoint, if the sets are not disjoint here, so solution is n of a, n of a plus n of b, n of b minus of n of a intersection b. So this is the formula, n of a intersection b. Okay, so if two sets are disjoint, okay, here not disjoint, so not disjoint, here sets are not disjoint, not disjoint. Okay, so then we have go through this formula. If the given sets are disjoint, so that is the number of elements in the sets intersection A intersection B is 0, so therefore so this becomes 0. Okay, so therefore which is the right answer? So option B is the right answer. Okay, so this is the right answer. So we shall move to the next question. So class has 175 students. Okay, so in a class there are 175 students are there. The following data shows number of students opting one or more subject. So the following data gives number of student opting one or more subject. So that is the number of students who opting mathematics is taken as what? N of m. Okay, see here, so data, so n of m, number of students opting mathematics, so it is taken as n of m, that is 100. Okay, it is 100. Similarly, n of physics, number of student opting physics, so that is 70. Okay, so similarly the number of student opting chemistry, n of c, so that is equal to 40. Okay, similarly so number of student opting maths and physics. Okay, so n of m intersection p, m intersection p is equal to what? Which is equal to 30. Okay, similarly n of maths and chemistry, maths m intersection chemistry c, that is equal to 28. Okay, so next n of so physics and chemistry, n of p intersection c, p intersection c is equal to what? 23. Okay, so and one more data is there, maths, physics and chemistry, the number of students opting maths, physics, chemistry, so that is n of h, n of m intersection p intersection c, which is equal to 18. Okay, so we are going to calculate how many have only offered mathematics. Okay, so we need to calculate how many offered, so that is n of m only, so it is better to solve this question through Venn diagram, so it is very easy to understand. So take Venn diagram. See here, I am going to take Venn diagram to solve this question. So suppose this is m, and this one is physics. Okay, so this one is chemistry. Okay, chemistry. So see here, so this region, so where I am showing the pointer, so this region is the student opting maths and physics. Similarly, so this region, so opting physics and chemistry, and this region shows the students opting maths and chemistry. Okay, so this region is both physics, chemistry and mathematics. So first we are going to write this region. So it is already given, this is 18. Okay, so number of students opting both physics, chemistry and mathematics, so it is 18. Okay, so carefully observe here, 18. So we are going to calculate how many have offered maths only. So this is the region what I am shading here. See here, so this is the region, so this indicate n of offering only mathematics. So we are going to calculate this region. Okay, so observe here, what about m intersection p? So here 18 is already fixed here, so therefore total m intersection p is given, m intersection p is what? M 38. So therefore here 18 is already there, so therefore we left with 12. Okay, so this is 12, this is 12. So then total m intersection p become 30, that is 18 plus 12, 30. Okay, similarly, so what about this p intersection c? The number of students offering physics and chemistry is 28. Already here 18 is fixed in this region, so therefore we left with 10. So this is p intersection c. So then, so what about m intersection c? So m intersection c is given, that is m intersection c, m intersection c is actually 28. Okay, so once again, this is p intersection c. P intersection c is what? 23. So therefore this is not 10, so this is 5. Okay, so this is 5 here. So we are going to write this as 5. Okay, so this is not 10. I am going to erase this. Okay, so here so P intersection C is what? P intersection C. Observe here, this is P intersection, that is 23. Okay, so therefore we left with 5 here. Okay, this is 5. So now M intersection C is, yeah, that is 28. So 18 is here already fixed. So therefore we left with 10. We left with 10. Okay, so see here, totally the number of students offering mathematics is how much? That is 100. Okay, so total, so maths n of m is 100. So we are going to calculate m only. So therefore, so to find m only, so this region we are going to subtract these. Okay, so that is, so out of this, so we are going to subtract this, that is 12. So minus of 12, so minus of 18, so minus of 10. Okay, so that is, so we left with 60. So that is the number of students offering maths, that is only 60 students. So this is 60. So similarly, so these questions may ask in a different way. Suppose how many can have offered maths only? Instead of asking maths only, so they ask physics only. Okay, physics alone. So then we are going to calculate this region. Okay, what I am showing here. So this is the p only. So we are going to subtract these three values in n of p, that is 70. Suppose to find this n of p alone, so we are going to subtract 70 minus 12 minus 18, so minus 10. So then we get okay, that is 35. This is 35. This is nothing but what? n of p only. So this is n of p only. Okay, similarly we are going to calculate. Suppose the question may ask like this also: physics, chemistry. Okay, so number of students asked chemistry alone. So then we are going to calculate, so that we are going to subtract. So what I am so this region, so this is the region of n of c alone. So that is n of c is nothing but what here? n of c alone. So only n of c only, this is nothing but, so n of c is nothing but what here? 40. So minus of, we are going to subtract, so 10 18, this is 18, this is 10 minus 5. So then we get, so this region. Okay, so this is the way of asking same questions in a different manner. So therefore, dear students, carefully read the questions and then try to answer the questions. It is if you are not reading questions properly, so then we get solution different, wrong solution. So therefore, don't neglect, so read the questions properly. Okay, thank you very much.